Ayan, nandito tayo sa Dipolog Boulevard. Ayan si Yasin. Dipolog Boulevard is one of the top attractions here in Dipolog City. Dipolog is the capital city of the province of Zamboanga del Norte, the province that occupies the northern part of Zamboanga Peninsula in the Mindanao Island of the Philippines. It is commonly known as the Bottled Sardines capital due to its sardine production, and most popularly the gateway to Western Mindanao, being accessible from Dumaguete, Cebu, and Manila. Kain tayo suman. Yasin, say hi! Yasin! Ayan si Yasin, o. Yan, si Yasin. Yan yung makulit. O, diba?
Lukaw mo.
Kain tayo ng suman. So, namamasya lang tayo dito sa kain muna tayo. Laman ang ginagawa ko. Suman. Malagkit yun. Layot natin konti. Marami tayong baon. Ayan, ito naman suman na kamuting kahoy. Kasama. So, ayan siya. Diba? Masarap yan. Masarap to. Ito, suman na kamuting kahoy. Gusto pala ni Yasin ng suman kamuting kahoy. Kamuting kahoy, kasaba. Yasin. Sino? Ayan o, mag-hi kayo dyan. Mag-hi kayo sa people. Sa madlang people. Sino?
Ito na, gatumbang. Hi, love.
Nakakagutom pala yung maglalakad. Daming baon yan, takot matutuman. So, ganito siya. Tira-tira to ni Yasin, yung mga blanca. Diba? So, puro tayo kain. Nakakagutom kasi maglakad. Kasi may parade doon kanina. And, yun, nakatayo. Puro kain lang. Sarap din.
Yo? Ay! Makamulit tayo.
So, ipapasyal ko kayo doon sa tabing dagat. Madumi yung kamay ko. Ganun talaga siya.
Wakay mo na ako.
Ay, dadalik ko na lang ito. Ayan si Yasin. This is a very nice place to chill and wait for the sunset while eating with your family and your friends. One good place to breathe fresh air. There's a lot of food stalls for you to enjoy as well, which sells different kinds of stuff like green mango, fried chicken, fish balls, and some other stuff. The place is noticeably clean and well maintained. People are disciplined in using the designated bins for their trash. A perfect place to jog or simply bond with family, friends, or just holding hands while walking with a loved one. Get a good view of the famous Dipolog Sunset Boulevard. While waiting for the sun to set, you can just laze around among the benches lined along the entire length of the boulevard. If you are a health buff, then this is the place for you to shake all those sweat out by joining the Zumba dance session early in the morning, or have some brisk walk while basking into the early morning sun. If you are in for some roadside dining, then this is the right place to go.